Unveiling the Queen of Soul. Dive into Aretha Franklin's musical journey and legacy. Did you know Aretha Franklin, the Queen of Soul, mastered the piano solely by ear, never relying on sheet music? This self-taught marvel transformed her innate talent into a groundbreaking musical legacy, captivating the world with her soulful melodies and stirring rhythms, all without the conventional crutch of reading music. Born into a musically gifted family in Detroit, Michigan, Aretha Franklin was recognized as a child prodigy. Her voice, a blend of power and grace, found its first audience in the gospel choirs of her father's church. This early exposure to music not only honed her remarkable talent, but also sowed the seeds of her future as a music icon. The church was where Aretha's heart and soul were nurtured, laying a firm foundation for her career. Her father's congregation served as her first stage, where she belted out gospel tunes with an emotion and depth that far surpassed her young age. It was in these sacred halls that she discovered her passion for music and her gift for touching hearts. Transitioning from gospel to secular music, Aretha Franklin embarked on a journey that would see her crowned as the Queen of Soul. This bold move was not just a change in genre, it was a declaration of her versatility and determination to conquer the broader music world. Her soulful voice, imbued with the raw emotion of gospel, resonated deeply within the secular music scene, heralding the arrival of a music legend. Signing with Columbia Records marked the beginning of her professional career, though it came with its challenges. The initial struggle to find her musical identity within the confines of the label's direction was a test of her resilience. Yet this period was crucial, as it set the stage for her later triumphs, teaching her the valuable lesson that true success often comes after overcoming adversity. Aretha Franklin's journey to stardom truly began with her signing to Atlantic Records. Here, she found her voice and the freedom to blend gospel with R&B, creating a sound that was entirely her own. This pivotal moment marked the start of a legendary career that would forever change the music landscape. Her breakthrough hit, Respect, became more than just a song. It transformed into an anthem for civil rights and female empowerment. Aretha's rendition of Otis Redding's original captured the spirit of a generation demanding change, making Respect an enduring symbol of the fight for equality and respect across the globe. With an extraordinary range and a powerful voice, Aretha Franklin delivered performances that could only be described as iconic. Whether it was the emotional depth of I Say a Little Prayer or the soulful energy of Chain of Fools, her live shows were a testament to her unparalleled talent and stage presence. Beyond her music, Aretha Franklin was deeply connected to the civil rights movement, using her platform and her voice to support the cause. Her close friendship with Martin Luther King Jr. underscored her commitment to equality and justice, making her an influential figure both on and off the stage. Achieving 18 Grammy Awards throughout her career, Aretha Franklin shattered barriers for women in music. Her induction into the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame as the first woman set a precedent, celebrating her incredible contributions to music and her role in shaping the sound of an era. Aretha Franklin's unparalleled ability to play piano purely by ear was a testament to her musical genius. Without the confines of traditional music reading, her approach to music was instinctive, allowing her to infuse each performance with a depth of emotion and authenticity that became her hallmark. Her influence on the music industry and beyond is undeniable. Franklin's unique blend of gospel roots with secular music not only catapulted her to fame, but also inspired countless musicians across various genres. Her soulful interpretations and powerful voice set a new standard for vocal excellence. Aretha's personality shone through not just in her music, but in the anecdotes shared by her peers. Celebrities often spoke of her formidable presence and the warmth she extended to those around her, painting a picture of a woman as gracious as she was talented. The iconic hat she wore during President Barack Obama's inauguration became a symbol of her enduring style and flair. This fashion choice highlighted her ability to make a statement, not just through her music, but through her personal style, leaving a lasting impression on the global stage. Her cameo in the Blues Brothers movie showcased Franklin's versatility and humor, contributing to the film's cultural significance. This appearance allowed audiences to see another facet of her talent, further cementing her status as a multifaceted icon in the entertainment world. Aretha Franklin's remarkable talent was recognized far beyond the music industry, earning her honorary degrees from some of the world's most prestigious institutions. Harvard, Yale, and the University of Michigan all celebrated her unparalleled contributions to music and culture, showcasing her influence extending into the realms of academia and beyond. In a testament to her monumental impact on not only music but society as a whole, Franklin was awarded the Presidential Medal of Freedom. This honor underscored her role as a transformative figure in American history, celebrated for her artistic genius as well as her dedication to civil rights and humanitarian efforts. Beyond the glitz and glamour of her career, Aretha faced personal struggles with grace and resilience. Her journey was marked by highs and lows, yet she remained a figure of strength and perseverance. Her ability to overcome adversity added depth to her music, making her performances even more powerful and heartfelt. In her later years, Aretha Franklin returned to her roots in gospel music, recording the best-selling gospel album of all time. This project was a full-circle moment for Franklin, highlighting her enduring faith and the spiritual depth that had always underpinned her music. It was a triumphant homecoming to the genre that started it all. Franklin was not only a legendary performer, but also a mentor and supporter of younger artists, generously sharing her wisdom and experience. She took emerging talents under her wing, guiding many through the complexities of the music industry. Her legacy includes not just her own music, but also the careers she helped to shape and inspire. Aretha Franklin's final performances were a testament to her enduring strength and passion for music, despite battling illness. Her ability to captivate audiences, even in her last days, underscored her legendary status. She remained a powerful force on stage, delivering performances that were both poignant and unforgettable. Her fear of flying, a lesser-known fact about the Queen of Soul, surprisingly never hindered her international acclaim. This phobia led her to travel by bus for tours and engagements, showcasing her commitment to her craft and her fans. Despite this challenge, Franklin's music reached and influenced millions worldwide. Aretha Franklin's legacy is monumental, paving the way for countless artists across various genres. Her contributions to music and culture have left an indelible mark, inspiring generations of musicians to pursue their dreams with the same fervor and authenticity. Her spirit and influence continue to resonate, making her an everlasting icon. The announcement of Aretha Franklin's passing sent shockwaves around the globe, with fans mourning the loss of the Queen of Soul. Tributes poured in from all corners, highlighting her profound impact on music and society. Her voice, once a beacon for change and empowerment, became a symbol of unity and respect in mourning. Following her death, Aretha Franklin was awarded a Pulitzer Prize Special Citation, a rare honor that celebrated her indelible contribution to American music and culture. This posthumous recognition served as a testament to her unparalleled talent and her role in shaping the soundtrack of a generation. Aretha Franklin's music transcends generations, creating a timeless appeal that continues to captivate young and old alike. Her soul-stirring voice, coupled with her profound lyrical depth, has made songs like Respect and Natural Woman anthems of empowerment and love, showcasing her unparalleled ability to connect across diverse audiences. Franklin's diverse music catalog spanning jazz, opera, R&B, and gospel highlights her exceptional versatility and mastery over an array of genres. This eclectic mix not only underscored her musical genius, but also her ability to break barriers, setting the stage for future artists to explore and blend genres. Aretha Franklin often shared her philosophy on music and life, emphasizing the power of music to heal, unite, and inspire. Her quotes like, "Music does a lot of things for a lot of people. It's transporting for sure. It can take you right back, years back, to the very moment certain things happened in your life," resonate with many, offering insight into her profound connection with music. Beyond her musical achievements, Franklin was also known for her charitable works and contributions to various causes. embodying the spirit of giving back to the community that supported her rise. Her generosity and commitment to social issues further solidified her status not just as a musical icon, but as a humanitarian. Franklin's influence extended into fashion and style, setting trends and becoming a symbol of elegance and strength. Her iconic looks, from glamorous gowns to that memorable hat worn at President Obama's inauguration, have left an indelible mark on the fashion industry, further cementing her legacy as a multifaceted icon. The Aretha Franklin Foundation stands as a testament to her enduring legacy, focusing on education and health initiatives that reflect Aretha's lifelong commitment to giving back. Through scholarships and community outreach, the foundation continues to impact lives, embodying her spirit of generosity and her dedication to empowering future generations. Aretha's passing left a void in the world of music and beyond, with fans from every corner of the globe mourning the loss of the Queen of Soul. Her contributions to music and society have made her an unforgettable icon, and the outpouring of love and respect from fans worldwide underscores the depth of her influence. In her hometown of Detroit and beyond, Aretha Franklin's memory is honored in numerous ways, including street namings that serve as permanent reminders of her remarkable journey and contributions. These tributes celebrate her monumental impact, not only in music but also in the communities she touched throughout her life. The Memphis Music Hall of Fame recognized Aretha Franklin's extraordinary contributions to music by inducting her into its ranks, celebrating her Tennessee roots and her indelible mark on the music industry. This honor underscores her significance not only as a phenomenal artist, but also as a pivotal figure in music history. Annual Aretha Franklin tribute events bring together fans and musicians alike to celebrate the life and legacy of the Queen of Soul. These gatherings not only honor her incredible talent and achievements, but also reinforce her lasting influence on music and culture, ensuring her spirit continues to inspire for generations to come. The annual Aretha Franklin tribute events serve as a testament to her enduring legacy and influence on the music world. These gatherings not only celebrate her life and achievements, but also ensure that her spirit continues to inspire and empower future generations of artists and fans alike. Her music has left an indelible mark on the soundtracks of numerous films, enriching cinematic storytelling with her powerful voice and emotional depth. Aretha Franklin's songs in movies often highlight pivotal moments, allowing audiences to connect with the narrative on a deeper level, showcasing her unparalleled ability to convey complex emotions through music. Music historians universally acknowledge Aretha Franklin's unique position in the annals of music history. Her contribution transcends genres, breaking barriers, and setting new standards for vocal excellence. Her legacy is a rich tapestry that illustrates the evolution of American music, reflecting societal changes and the ongoing struggle for equality and respect. Exploring Aretha Franklin's discography is an invitation to witness the breadth of her talent and the depth of her artistry. Each album offers a glimpse into different facets of her musical journey, from soulful ballads to gospel hymns and everything in between, providing a comprehensive understanding of why she remains an iconic figure in music. We invite you to subscribe to the Music Educator YouTube channel for more enlightening and engaging content on music legends like Aretha Franklin. Join us in celebrating the lives and legacies of these monumental figures, whose music continues to impact and inspire audiences around the world.